Hey guys, Justin here with AmericanTrucks.com, and listen, if you'd like to drastically modernize the taillights on your 09 to 14 F-150 at home, then you'll want to check out these full LED taillights that we have here on the table today. Now, these DOT approved lights will feature a stealthy look along with a high-powered LED operation, including the full red LED diffused ring running the perimeter of the housing itself, and they can be had all for right around that high $200 price point for the pair. But what do you say we focus in on some of the features here? And the biggest, in my humble opinion, will be that switch to a 100% LED operation for things like your brake lights, your running lights, turn signals, and also your reverse lights. And that's kind of a biggie here because a lot of times these LED tail lights will cover everything but the reverse bulb, meaning you have to reuse your dim and dingy factory incandescent bulb. Obviously not the case here. That entire lower block will be handling your reverse light duties. Now, another big feature here is that diffused LED running light that runs around the entire housing itself here. And that's gonna make for a very modern look, more reminiscent of what a lot of modern trucks are being offered with nowadays. Now, finally, guys, I really like the combination of that black housing here topped off with the crystal clear lens. Certainly gonna deliver a more aggressive appearance, but at the same time, will still allow those LEDs to shine bright, increasing your visibility and also your safety. Now, construction-wise, you are gonna find a combination of that heavy-duty ABS plastic for the base or housing in a matte black, and at that point, it's gonna be sealed up nice and tight with a clear polycarbonate lens. Now, inside that lens, or at least behind it, you're gonna find the two blocks of high-powered LEDs, both upper and lower, of course, along with that diffused LED running light that we talked about a bit earlier. Now, everything has been backed by a 1-year limited warranty, and these taillights, by the way, guys, are both DOT and SAE approved, which will make them legal for use in all 50 states. Price point for the full LED options is gonna live right around that high $200 ballpark here, which honestly makes these one of the more affordable full LED replacements when compared to other options from Lightbar, Raxium, or Morimoto here on our site. All right, moving into the install, and because this is, again, a 100% plug and play job, expect a very soft 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you an hour at most to complete from start to finish. Now, to give you a better idea of how this one might go down on your F-150 at home, let's throw it out to the shop for our detailed walkthrough and tool breakdown. For this install, you need a ratchet and an 8mm socket. All right, today we're gonna be installing some taillights on our F-150. First, we're gonna watch a quick video how to uninstall stock ones, then we'll come back here to install the new ones.
All right, guys, the first step of the uninstall, of course, is to grab an 8mm socket, drop your tailgate, and we're gonna remove the 2 bolts holding on our taillight. Now, they're on the inside of where the tailgate would sit, one at the top, one at the bottom. We're gonna pull straight back, just like that. We're gonna pinch and disconnect the harnesses connected to the factory bulbs. There's 2, top and bottom, and then your reverse light in the middle.
All right, before we can install our new taillights, we just have to swap over our connectors to our new taillight. So we're just gonna take our factory ones, give the lights a quarter turn, and take our bulbs out. All right, now we're gonna get our new taillight and our connectors. We're just gonna plug them into our factory connectors like this. Now if your lights don't work at first, you might have reversed this. You might just need to flip it. You'll know when you test it. You just put the wires in, line up the tabs like factory, give it another quarter turn. Same thing for the other 2. All right, so we're just gonna take our factory connectors, plug them in. All right, and we can put our taillight into place. And we can reinstall our 2 8mm bolts. All right, so now we'll thread in our 2 factory bolts. grab our ratchet with our 8mm socket and tighten them down. All right, now you can go ahead and repeat those same steps for the yellow taillight. All right, that wraps up our install of our full LED taillights with a black housing and clear lens for our 2009 to 2014 F-150 style side. And remember, for everything F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.